Hi everyone, I have a box here from Archie Comics, and I ordered some Archie Comics a couple months ago, and this came in October. I went out of town, so just opening it now. I had a pre-order for a Christmas item, and so that's why they held my order for a little while, because I asked them, because I was like, where is it? Because I was worried I was forgetting about it, but alas, it is now here. I need to cut off more tape. Got it. Okay, I have a dog assistant here. We will take the paper. Okay, I have, let's see, Archie 80 Years of Christmas. Oh, this is cool. I love the Archie Christmas stories, so I'm excited about this. Oh, I don't know how to hold it. Okay, you can't really see that. Okay, let's see what else. I've got Archie 1000 Page Comics Dream. So, wow, this is really cool. And then there's one, it's the same size. It's an Archie 1000 Page Comics Delight. That's gonna be fun to read. And then here's Archie and Friends Superheroes #1. And then there's Everything's Archie #1. And here is World of Archie. And then the rest of these are all the same size as that World of Archie. Here's the Archie at Riverdale High. Oh, sorry. This World of Archie was book #2, and Archie at Riverdale High. This is book #3. And then here's She's Josie. I love Josie, so excited about that one. And Betty and Veronica Spectacular Book 3. So that's it for this order. Some of these are probably still available at archiecomics.com. I guess I'll probably be making another order soon, because periodically I like to go and order a bunch of things. Thanks for watching. Bye.